Assalamualaikum and Eid Mubarak. Welcome back to my channel. This is Labina from the Friendly Neighborhood Shop. Eid is almost very near and it has been a wonderful month of Ramadan. The look that I have done today, it's actually a very simple glam Eid look. And then once it's Eid, it's gonna be a good celebration, or else the world is not in a very good place. But I hope everyone nonetheless have a wonderful time. Hopefully the rest of the world heals and the rest of the year goes peacefully for us and we can together beat this pandemic. Please subscribe to my channel if you do like what you see, and if you're new to this channel, welcome to the Friendly Neighborhood Shop. I am an online seller. I do sell budget cosmetics. I'll leave the links to my shops in the description box below. With that said, Eid Mubarak and Ramadan Kareem. Carry on. I've already done up my eyebrows, but I'm still just gonna touch it up. And I'll be using the Precisely My Brow Pencil from Benefit, and my shade is 3.5. I'm gonna quickly fill in the gaps. This is a new product by Benefit. This is the Brow Microfilling Pen, and it's in the color medium brown. There are 3 tips to it, so you can just lightly fill in all those empty spaces. This is not of much use for me because my brows are still quite sufficient, so those of you who do not have enough brow hair, you might use this to fill it up. But in terms of price point, you can get more reasonable ones in the market, drugstore brand Maybelline, instead of getting one from Benefit. And lastly, to set off everything, I'm just going to get a eyebrow gel also by Benefit. And this thing works. Even when you go swimming, your brow would stay intact. I have tested it out using this and then going for a swim. Eyebrows are done. I am going to go put concealer on the parts I require concealing. If you're new to my channel, and I just want to share, this is by Fenty Beauty and the shade that I'm using is 220. I use the same foundation, but again, unfortunately in my area, Fenty Beauty's 220 foundation color is no longer available. I'm just going, oops, accidents happen. So I'm just going to damp the beauty blender a bit and get all this blended out. In Singapore, we are not allowed to remove our face mask, so due to that, I'm actually having a lot of breakout. My skin is at its worst, and on top of that, fasting month, you don't get to drink much water. I'm just gonna cover up some of the pimples that I have. Concealer is done. The look that I'm going for is something very soft and dewy. I don't want to pack a lot of foundation on my face, so I'm just gonna go in with a little bit and then blend it all out. I want to create something using this Tarte's Pro palette and a dupe palette by Guicami called Whatever. This is a ColourPop dupe palette. If you want to get this palette, you can check out my online shop. This is available, and I will leave the link in the description box below. And this is available to anyone in Singapore and Malaysia. I have green, purple, blue, pinkish, so I just want to keep something that's really dewy and simple. The color that I'm going to be starting off with, I'll use maybe later. I'll take Glam Shimmer Shade and put it at the side of my eyes.
Yeah, just receive your...
And I'll use edging, just to give my eyes some depth. Pretty much okay with this. Moving on to blush. This is the blush and contour palette. This is by Ellesy and it's called Desert Dust Contour. You are able to get this palette from my online shop. I'll drop the link in the description box below. It comes with a mirror and these are 4 shades. So this is your blush, contour, highlight. This is white, this is shimmer. I can never get my eyeliners to balance, but it's okay. None of us are perfect. As long as you feel it's good, it's good. And I think my eyeliner is pretty dried up. Probably have to get down and get a new one. This is a mascara. I have eyeliner, mascara on my upper eyelid. I'm just gonna finish it off with lipstick. Oh, and then cute thing about this lipstick is I got it customized at Sephora. For my lip, I chose this color called Volatile 320 by Estee Lauder. And the last thing left to do is get some highlight. After makeup is done, you can actually use this. This is by Glow Recipe. It's the Watermelon Glow, oh goodness, Niacinamide Dew Drops. This gives your skin a very glowy look. You can use this after you have applied your makeup. It comes in pump forms. Just take, I think this is more than very generous. I'm just going to spread it out, and you can put it on the top of your makeup where you want that glowy dewiness to appear. So it looks like your skin is pumped and you are all set. Can you see the glow? I have enough glow on my face to stop traffic at this point. Pretty good. I'm not complaining. This is it. Once you're done with everything, don't forget to set your face with my very trusted Urban Decay All Nighter Ultra Matte Setting Spray. Love this to pieces. When Sephora gets their promotion going, I would actually buy a few bottles at the same time because this thing works. You can get blown away, but your makeup stays. Because it's Eid, you have to gauge yourself with the wonderful feast that your mother cooks, but you need to make sure your makeup's on point. If you guys have enjoyed it, and if you do create something similar, you can always tag me on my Instagram handle, which is below. I'll just put it somewhere. Look it up and give me a follow. You can top it off with a demure earring. In my case, this is my Chanel earring from many years back, and of course Bangalito. So Bangali hoy orna porte hobe. Orna chhara to dawate jawa jabe na, কেন orna লাগে। সালোয়ার কামিজ যখন পরবা তখন orna লাগে। And my final look, I will leave the descriptions of all the products that I have used in the description box below. If you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and follow me on all my other social media platforms. With that, thank you for watching. Khuda Hafiz. See you soon. Till then, stay safe, wear mask.